Hi. What are you doing? Say hi. Oh yeah? Where are you going? Hi.
Tonight we're gonna make
Okay.
jelly sandwiches.
Okay? Are you okay?
Make sure you have the okay from one of those
Yeah?
people, and don't forget to wash
Oh,
your
you're so
hands.
excited.
We need to find
Say hi, Mama. Say hi.
Perfect.
Oh yeah?
Next, peanut butter,
Hi.
2 slices of bread,
Hi.
First, put peanut butter on 1 slice
No,
of bread.
Mama, not Dada.
Sometimes
Mama.
a little help with this, because it's sticky.
Hi.
And jelly on the other. Use your
What are you
favorite
doing?
jelly. I like raspberry. Then I put them together. I take my cookie cutter.
Hi.
Press it down hard on my finger.
Who am I?
And now I have a stuffed
Who am I?
Don't forget to clean
Am I Mama? Yes.
Thanks for making
It's your
a snack
booger
for me.
nose. Ew, booger nose. Boogie nose. Boogie nose. Say, I'm sick. Leave me alone, Mom. Hey, go dance for me. Oh. Oh, so.
My name's Lou. This is my
Oh,
sister.
it's not. It's safety patrol.
And this is
Yeah.
Lou
I
and
thought, no.
Safety Patrol.
Are you dancing? Oh. Hi. Are you okay?
Will Mom and Lulu be finished shopping?
Are you okay?
Girls like shopping.
I'm a girl, and I don't like shopping.
Well, if you're anything like your mom,
Okay?
you will.
Look, Lou. I think I see a problem.
Okay.
Safety patrol.
Hi, Esther. Is
Okay. You alright, baby?
And now I can't find her anywhere.
Here, look.
We'll help you find your mom,
You-
Lester.
Right here.
Safety Patrol?
Come here, dance for me.
I bet I got a big violation, huh?
Yep. Never walk away from your parents, especially in a crowded
Show me how you do this.
But what should I do now? I'm lost.
Don't let her do
You
it.
did the right thing by staying here and not wandering around. Never, ever leave the mall or store to look for your car in the parking lot.
Lester, I'm going to call your house, buddy. What's your phone number?
I think there's